Okay, we had that morning suckers range get pretty short and then rip their face off. The big Fed discount window liquidity pump from the institutional side. The numbers that have been shown that they absorbed selling in here and pumped here. Another huge day. Now, one thing I wanted to point out, I did get a flip for the settings I use in iGRID for MNQs. I'm watching NQs also. I didn't want to chase. I put, there's a little bit of a right in here. I put some liquidity in, it lifted again, added some more right up in this area price. I've taken some profits out. I'm down to only 10 MNQs runner. So I'm way up on the day there. I think 9,600 now there. And I am kind of expecting this might break this pivot. This is a key pivot. And there we have, there's that key pivot from the other day. We are breaking it, trading lower. Now this trading down in this area could attract a global sell-off. What are we up? 18 or 19 in the last 19 or 20 days. If they don't hang on to this and push it back to the prior range, and we get selling into this lower range and it starts to accelerate, you could get a global profit taking. In other words, everybody's going to start ringing the till all at the same time, thinking, okay, a big, huge rally driven by investment banks that are getting to play with Fed discount window money. Thank you very much. And I'm going to cash out now and take my chips off the table. So we haven't, and there's so many gaps that have not been filled on the way down that if we get a global cashing out starts happening during any U.S. cash session when the stock market's open, and how fast this thing could start ripping down into the prior range, it'll make people's heads spin. So anyhow, some big pump. They were working it really hard. It felt like there was some distribution going on here from the flows I was looking at, where there's a lot of stock selling going on. That's typically those that are long, predominantly long in their portfolios from lower levels are feeling like, okay, it's time to take, cash out, ring the till. So when this lifted back up and I was in a Dodger blue condition or a down mode bearish bias, then the rotation of the Heikin-Ashi would be the setup. I mean, you can get in at the flip, but these markets have been very strange for many, many weeks now with the amount of Fed discount window money that just comes out of the blue that the investment banks put in on these 0 DTE/futures trades and just pump the hell out of everything, at will. So anyhow, that was a nice rotation, the kind of stair-stepping lower, and then the big, all the buying on the way up was blown out. And now it looks like to me we're getting the beginnings of a cash out move, which would not, I mean, we're so overdue for one, it's not even funny. So we'll see how the day ends, but pretty significant rotation so far and selling, hitting, and see if it continues. We get a day where they just take a bunch of chips off the table. Okay, everybody. iGRID working great. We have it running on MT5 now, MT4, C-Trader, and NinjaTrader 8. We got the two EAs for MT4, MT5. iGRID for MT4 EA, iGRID for MT5 EA in build. We got the C-Trader CBOT for iGRID in build, and other goodies, including squeeze momentum, or not squeeze momentum, my new hybrid momentum indicator and building. Okay, just want to do a quick check-in. I felt this is kind of a significant rotation that's taking place, and we'll see if we trade lower on the day, or if they send in the rescue squad, pump some more Fed discount window money back in and come and park this up in this upper range again into the day's end. Okay, any questions you have, info@gridalgo.com. Talk to you later.